Hello guys, welcome to JM505 computers from Bangkok, Thailand. Today we're going to talk about the difference between SSD and hard drive. I'm sure most of you guys, whether they are Mac or Windows users, they have a very common question which always comes in our mind when it comes to the SSD or hard drive, how to make your laptop faster. I have a lot of customers, though, for those who always complain me about their laptop is lagging or getting slow, so I always recommend to upgrade to the SSD. So today in this video I'm gonna share with you guys why I always recommend every user, Windows or Mac, to go for with an SSD. So well, being said that, I want to compare the SSD and hard drive performance by capacity or by processing speed. So normally most of us already knows the hard drive. This is look like a hard drive. This is actually the hard drive 3.5 for the PC. There is 2.5 size as well, which normally use for, we can use for the laptop. So this hard drive got the platter inside. As you can see, there is a platter which is responsible for reading and writing the data, and this is kind of look like a CD. This is the structure inside of the hard drive. Okay, so guys, this is an SSD inside structures. This board you can see over here, this board right here, the chips here, the storage, this is the storage chips, this is the NAND memory chips, and in hard drive is totally different. In hard drive there is a platter which is actually moves around, and time by time it gets slow or it crashed. So guys, we're gonna compare SSD versus hard drive storage capacity. Solid state drive, the memory and the data usually stores in the chips. The chips right here you can see, it stores in the chips, so it's more efficient, more lighter, non-noisy and more efficient, but it comes with the smaller sizes than a hard drive. But actually the question is, how much capacity do you need? Most average users would be fine with maybe 200 or 250 or 300 gigabyte. To put in a perspective, you could store about 30,000 average size of photos or songs with 200 250 gigabytes. If you plan to download movies or maybe a big games, you might need to go for the hard drive, because as hard drives coming with 500 GB or 1 terabyte or 2 terabyte. Budget SSDs, the time of opening and booting your laptop or computer is much less than a hard drive due to the high speed interconnected flash memory chips. So this we have compared the processing speed. So let's talk about hard drive versus an SSD application performance. A program or an application we usually use, which is we really rely on files much faster. They'll run your application more smoothly and reliably. Those who rely on video editing or digital design software that requires more speed, more efficient performance, and launch and run your app faster. Computer for fun, for school, for business, for work, for video editing, for gaming, for performance, you need an SSD drives. So go for the SSD if your computer is slow, if your computer is lagging, if the specific application you want to run is not running as smooth as you want, go for an SSD. Thank you so much guys for looking our video. We hope you will share, like and subscribe, and thank you. I hope to see you in our next video. Thank you. Good day.